Hello, today I'll be making tomato basil orzo. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please like and subscribe. First, add your olive oil, your garlic, onions, and then your peppers. Next, add in your orzo, your spices, and lightly saute. Now stir in your vegetable broth, then simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Once your orzo is cooked, you can add in your peas and your tomato sauce. While simmering on low, add in your fresh basil. Simmer 5 to 7 minutes. If you like this recipe, click like and leave me a comment. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to be notified of our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.